Alberto, great to meet you here at our booth. You've been with AMable quite some time. You've done some experiments and your company had ideas which it transferred into a product.
Yeah.
Could you quickly tell us what that is about?
Okay, this product is for rail train sector. It's a big manifold that conducts the air conditioner in the cabin of the train.
Of the train,
yeah?
okay.
Actually, this part is produced with metal sheets. Involve several different processes, and it spends many times.
Okay, cool.
Every train now is different. And then,
so that's the problem, that every train has a different kind of air duct.
Yes, and you must to change several different drawings and to change different parameters in the machines.
Okay.
With this technology, this is a proof of the technology that you only can and you only need to redesign it in the computer. And then the software calculates the different changes.
Okay, cool.
And also, the whole process is not more responsive and in time. It spends some low time.
Okay, so it only takes a little time to be produced, so the entire production time is also reduced.
Yes.
That's great. So, I mean, why is not everybody doing that? I guess the situation in Spain of additive manufacturing is somehow also difficult?
Yeah, because at this moment our engineers are not thinking in additive. No?
Okay.
Okay.
So it's about thinking, changing the mind.
Yes, because it's very important. When you think in the standard processes, the part is cheaper in standard processes. But if you are thinking in additive, you will get more accurate designs, and could be, in this case, the cost could be more accurate. Cheaper than actual process.
Okay, fantastic. So, I mean, we're currently setting up this AMable community and we're trying to push that forward in order to find people that exchange, find people that learn.
Yes.
What would be your key expectation from an AMable community? Is it personnel? Is it knowledge for yourself?
Personal is the best thing, because in this business we are thinking that the persons is the big value, the key value. Because the knowing is actually very difficult to transfer to software or to AEA technology. The persons is the key in this.
Persons. So it's about people for you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so happy to have you had at our booth here at formnext. I hope you will make it. I hope you will find good personnel.
Okay.
If there's anyone who wants to join Optimus3d, then I guess you are happy to receive the CV.
Okay, thank you for
Wonderful. Have a great time at the exhibition and a lot of success.
Thank you for your time.
Okay,
Bye.
wonderful. So guys, that was a quick interview here at the booth at formnext 2022. I hope you guys have had some fun seeing what's in, what people can do with additive manufacturing quickly, individually, for a specific sector. And you don't know that yet, but there have been quite a few people coming around saying, what? That's the surface additively manufactured from PEEK? I don't believe that. But it's true, these guys did it. We helped them, they found someone who helped them, and they just made this product.
Really?
Thanks a lot again.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye guys.